Hi, I'm Sophie and welcome to my world. Today I have a quick tip for you if you are making slime. Sometimes your slime doesn't gel up. Now, if that is the case, you might want to check the products that you are using. Very, very important, your glue. Make sure that it is a PVA glue, which is a polyvinyl acetate glue. It's very, very, very important. Now, Elmer's glue is definitely a PVA glue, but some of the glues out there are not. So you got to make sure you're using a PVA glue. The other thing is if you are making the saline solution or contact solution as your activator, make sure that it has either boric acid or sodium borate in it. You got to make sure that it has those ingredients, and you can find that on the back. Now, this is the stuff that I use. This is a disinfectant solution. I get it at Costco, and it's great because it comes 3 in a box, which gives me lots and lots for making lots and lots of slime. So those are 2 really important tips. Make sure that your materials are correct. You need to have boric acid or sodium borate in your activator somewhere, and also you've got to make sure that you're using a PVA glue. For more great ideas and tips, check us out, Sophie-World.com.